In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check the performance status of Google Workspace. This process is very simple, and once you learn it, you'll always be able to monitor how your Workspace apps are performing. Knowing where to find this information is extremely helpful for troubleshooting, managing downtime, or simply ensuring everything is running smoothly. To begin, open your browser and head to the Google Workspace website. This is your main access point for all administrative tools. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. Once you arrive on the home page, the next step is to enter the admin console. The admin console is the central control panel where you manage everything related to your workspace environment. It includes user management, device settings, billing, security features, and more. If you're not already familiar with it, spending some time exploring the layout can make your workflow much easier. When you click on the admin console, you'll be asked to log in using your business email. Enter the email associated with your organization's Workspace account, then proceed by clicking the button to continue. If you have multi-layer authentication turned on, complete the additional verification steps. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where all your administrative tools are displayed in a clean and organized way. Now look at the top right area of the screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu represented by a small grid of square dots. Click this icon to open a panel that lists all your available Google tools. From here, select the admin option. Clicking this icon takes you deeper into the administrative environment, giving you access to the features responsible for maintaining and monitoring the health of your workspace. Your next stop is the reporting section. This area contains all your analytics, activity logs, and performance insights. It's not just for identifying problems. It also helps you understand trends, user behavior, and overall system performance. Being familiar with these reports can help you make informed decisions and even spot potential issues before they grow. Inside the reporting section, look for the option labeled Workspace Apps Monthly Uptime. This is where you will find the detailed performance history of your Google Workspace services. The monthly uptime report reveals how consistently the apps have been running, any outages that may have occurred, and overall reliability trends. This information helps you stay informed about how your organization's tools have been operating and ensures you can react quickly if something needs attention. And that's all it takes. Checking the performance status of Google Workspace is a simple task, but it provides valuable insights into the health of your entire digital environment. By reviewing this information regularly, you can maintain smooth operation, stay aware of any disruptions, and keep your workflow efficient. If you continue monitoring these reports from time to time, you'll always be in control of your workspace performance.